Welcome to English Learning Studio. Learn real English for real life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak with confidence. Let's begin.
I leave my workplace.
I leave my workplace.
I walk towards the bus stop.
I walk towards the bus stop.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I watch the passing cars.
I watch the passing cars.
I see tall buildings.
I see tall buildings.
I get off the bus.
I get off the bus.
I walk along the park.
I walk along the park.
I sit on a bench.
I sit on a bench.
I rest my legs.
I rest my legs.
I close my eyes briefly.
I close my eyes briefly.
I stroll through the park.
I stroll through the park.
I watch the birds.
I watch the birds.
I listen to the wind.
I listen to the wind.
I leave the park.
I leave the park.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I unlock my door.
I unlock my door.
I enter my home.
I enter my home.
I take off my jacket.
I take off my jacket.
I hang up my jacket.
I hang up my jacket.
I walk into the living room.
I walk into the living room.
I open a window.
I open a window.
I sit on the sofa.
I sit on the sofa.
I relax my back.
I relax my back.
I pick up a newspaper.
I pick up a newspaper.
I turn the page.
I turn the page.
I put down the newspaper.
I put down the newspaper.
I stand up slowly.
I stand up slowly.
I go to the kitchen again.
I go to the kitchen again.
I wash an apple.
I wash an apple.
I bite into the apple.
I bite into the apple.
I enjoy the taste.
I enjoy the taste.
I leave the kitchen.
I leave the kitchen.
I sit at the table.
I sit at the table.
I open a book.
I open a book.
I read a page.
I read a page.
I close the book.
I close the book.
I place the book on a shelf.
I place the book on a shelf.
I stand up straight.
I stand up straight.
I stretch my neck.
I stretch my neck.
I walk into the dining room.
I walk into the dining room.
I set a plate on the table.
I set a plate on the table.
I pour some soup into the plate.
I pour some soup into the plate.
I taste the soup.
I taste the soup.
I finish my soup.
I finish my soup.
I wipe my mouth.
I wipe my mouth.
I wash the plate.
I wash the plate.
I dry the plate.
I dry the plate.
I put the plate away.
I put the plate away.
I leave the dining room.
I leave the dining room.
I return to the living room.
I return to the living room.
I sit on the floor.
I sit on the floor.
I fold my legs.
I fold my legs.
I close my eyes again.
I close my eyes again.
I breathe slowly.
I breathe slowly.
I clear my mind.
I clear my mind.
I open my eyes again.
I open my eyes again.
I stand up quietly.
I stand up quietly.
I walk to a bookshelf.
I walk to a bookshelf.
I pick up a magazine.
I pick up a magazine.
I flip through the pages.
I flip through the pages.
I read a short article.
I read a short article.
I put the magazine back.
I put the magazine back.
I walk to the window.
I walk to the window.
I watch the sunset.
I watch the sunset.
I admire the colors.
I admire the colors.
I close the window.
I close the window.
I draw the curtains.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe.